In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords and metadata in Adobe Bridge. Organizing your photos and design assets becomes much easier when you use keywords and metadata. Keywords help you quickly filter and find files, while metadata adds meaningful context like titles, descriptions, and copyright information. Let's start with keywords. If the Keywords panel isn't visible, go to the Window menu and choose Keywords panel. You'll see a list of existing keyword categories and terms. Think of categories as folders and keywords as labels you can apply to your files. This structure keeps your library tidy and consistent. To create a new keyword, click the New Keyword button, then type the word you want and press Enter or Return to save it. Keep your terms clear and consistent so you don't end up with duplicates that mean the same thing. If you want to create a hierarchy, use New Sub-Keyword to nest related terms under a parent. For example, you might place specific locations under a broader travel category. This makes later filtering more precise without adding clutter. Now let's apply those keywords. In the Content panel, select one or more files you want to tag. In the Keywords panel, tick the box next to the keyword name. A check mark confirms that the keyword is now attached to all selected files. If you select multiple items, they'll all get the same keyword at once, which is a great time saver for batches. Next, we'll add descriptive metadata. Select your file or files in Adobe Bridge, then open the Metadata panel by going to Window and choosing Metadata panel. Here, you'll find fields such as title, description, creator, copyright, and more. These fields are searchable, and many programs read them, so filling them out boosts discoverability and protects your work. To edit a field, click the pencil icon next to it. Type in the new text, then press Tab or click elsewhere to exit editing. Work through the fields that matter for your workflow, like a clear title, a helpful description, and accurate creator and copyright information. If you have multiple files selected, the values you enter can be applied to all of them, ensuring consistency across a project. When you're finished, click Apply at the bottom of the Metadata panel. This step commits your changes to the file, so don't skip it. As a general best practice, avoid putting sensitive personal details in your metadata. That's it. With the Keywords panel for quick tagging and the Metadata panel for richer details, your Adobe Bridge library will be easier to manage and far more searchable.